Dear students, good morning. Welcome to e-tutorial of Vinayak Public School, Khazrat, Ayodhya. My name is Shahnaz Banu and I will teach you today class 3rd Maths. Chapter 7 Fraction, Numerator and Denominator. Students, in fraction chapter, let's understand numerator and denominator. Numerator, in any fraction, the top number is the numerator. Denominator, in any fraction, the bottom number is the denominator. Example, 2 upon 6. In fraction 2 upon 6, the numerator is 2 and the denominator is 6. Second example, 3 upon 5. In fraction 3 upon 5, the numerator is 3 and the denominator is 5. According to this, 4 upon 8, the numerator is 4 and the denominator is 8. 5 upon 10, the numerator is 5 and the denominator is 10. 8 upon 12, the numerator is 8 and the denominator is 12. Okay, thanks.